This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
In this video, we are going to talk about cupcake wrappers. There's a wide variety of designs of these great little laser cut papers that are available on the market. And you can see this one has a nice little daisy floral design, so it's great for a spring or summer event. And we get to weddings sometimes and there's a stack of these, and they can at times be a pain to fold. And you see this one has a little slot and a little tab there that you need to hook into place, right? And then it'll set up, and it's making kind of a teardrop shape. It'll round out when you put the cupcake in, right? So I've got one ready to go, and I just want to slide it down gently inside there. And you can see that puts enough pressure on it that it's rounded out and locked into place. So a lot of times what I do if I'm getting these ready is I will just separate a bunch of them and get that in there, right? And prep them like that in spots, and then go along and put my cupcakes in. It helps if your cupcakes have been refrigerated and are easy to handle. That way you're not damaging your frosting while you're sliding them down in. So there's just a few tips for using cupcake wrappers. And as you can see, they make it a lovely addition to designs and add just a little bit of extra festive flair.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.